Everyone says a giant asteroid killed the dinosaurs. But was that the whole story? 66 million years ago, a massive rock hit Earth. Firestorms, shockwaves, a global blackout. But here's the twist. Massive volcanic eruptions in India were already spewing toxic gases for hundreds of thousands of years. Climate already crashing. Ecosystems already dying. The asteroid was the final blow, but definitely not the only one, some scientists think. If the impact had come just a few million years earlier or later, dinosaurs might have survived. Fun fact, if they had, we probably wouldn't exist.